Hello everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports Mercedes-Benz, and today we're going to be doing a quick vehicle walk-around tour showcasing this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. We've got a lot of features to cover here. We won't go over quite everything here within this GLS model, but we'll give you a nice overview of the interior and exterior features. And then if you have any questions, or if you want a little more in-depth information, or you don't want to set up a test drive, you know where to find us, feldmanimports.com. So the GLS 450 here comes in a black exterior. We've got a black leather interior. We've got blind spot assist here. This vehicle does have our clear film installed, so you can see this like very slight little ridge here that just protects from any door dings. So you've got that on all four of your doors. Yeah, it's super hard to see, which is kind of the idea. That's the clear part of the clear film. We've also got that on the front to protect from any rock chips that may be out there, so you can just barely see just this very thin little line here of that protective clear film surface. So anyway, just a nice little feature there to kind of preserve the cosmetic longevity of your Mercedes-Benz. So take a look at our interior here next. Again, black leather seats throughout the vehicle. We've got a sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. We have the premium Burmester upgraded speaker package throughout the vehicle. Get this nice dark wood grain accent trim and power memory seats, as well as heated and ventilated seats, both driver and passenger. You get your door and window controls, button to open to the trunk. We've got our light controls here, as well as parking brake. I do have a heated steering wheel, so you just flip this little switch here, and then that'll activate that for you. All right, let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage on this vehicle currently at 41,896. We do have a push button ignition. All right, so let's talk steering wheel to start. We've got a lot of functionality here. So on this right side here, this is some options here to control your main display. It is a touch screen, so of course you can use it, just using the touch screen itself. But you also have controls right here on the steering wheel. Just keep your hands and eyes, a little closer to the road. So you get the home button, you'll press that, and that'll pull up your main home screen here. And then you get this touchpad, so you can slide right and left and up and down, and then actually push down to make your selection. So now we're in our comfort menu, so you can see all kinds of different seat options here, as well as adjusting your ambient lighting. Get these nice LED ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. So there's all kinds of multicolor options, as well as just single color options too. And all fully customizable within your menu here. Alright, so back to our steering wheel. So control your display. Also got your volume controls and Bluetooth and cell phone functionality there. We do have paddle shifters on either side. Got those. On this left side here, we've got a similar home button and touchpad, and this is actually for controlling the driver interface right here. So once again, you can just kind of keep things just a little closer, keep your eyes a little closer to the road there. Radio, and then you can flip up and down and change that to on the fly right there. Pretty cool. You also have your cruise control settings here, and then behind that is your wiper and turn signal controls. And then our shifter over here on this side. So you'll just flip that up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera, which there are quite a few different cameras to work with here. You've got your back, you've got side views, you've got a front view. Love this overhead view, that's definitely super handy for parking. And there's also parking assist, which is something we'd love to show you how that works in person sometime. So once again, up for reverse, and then down for drive, and push in for park. Okay, so let's see here. We'll show you our navigation here. There we go. We've got radio, and then just one more look here at your backup camera. Okay, below your display, we've got our physical climate control buttons here, so very self-explanatory. Your ambient LED lighting will actually flash different colors based on whether you turn it up or down in temperature. All kinds of adjustments you can make there. Then you also have a menu button. You can hit that, and that pulls up your climate menu, which is again controlled, using your touchscreen or the other steering wheel controls. You also have a third way to control everything on your main display, which is down here on your center console with our touchpad. Same idea. Swipe left, right, up and down, push down to actually make your selections. So below our climate control options there, we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, some USB connections, a little power adapter port. You've got your cup holders here. And then within our center console, you have your dynamic select switch. So you'll flip that up and down to switch between the different performance modes, which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And then your other buttons here are just kind of quick access buttons for the parking assist, for vehicle settings, navigation, and so on. The GLS model does also have raisable or lowerable, fully adjustable, let's say that, chassis. So you can press it down to lower your chassis or press it up to raise it, and it will actually raise the height of the chassis. So maybe you're going over a lot of speed bumps, maybe you want to lower the chassis to make it a little easier to load some heavy cargo in your trunk. You've got that functionality within this model, so kind of cool. All right, so taking a look at our second row seats, you will notice there is this sunshade here. It's kind of a nice little feature. Especially got little ones in the back, that way they're not getting blasted in the face with sun. Just a nice built-in feature that raises or lowers just using your button here. We do have heated seats on the second row as well. You've got your Burmester speakers as well. Definitely nice black leather seats. You got your sunroof once again, both your front and second row coverage. Your rear center console, you've got climate control settings here. There's also a power adapter and USB connection there as well. And we'll do one more quick peek back up front while we're here. All right, so this model does have third row seats, and it's super easy to get to those. You just got this little switch right here. You just press that, and the driver's seat there will automatically move forward a little bit, and your second row seat will move forward and then kind of flip up a little bit just to make it nice and easy to get back to your third row. And then when you want to put that back, just go the opposite direction here. You actually have to press and hold it to get it all the way back, just so it doesn't accidentally crush somebody that's still like getting settled in that third row. Just a nice little safety feature. So nice and locked in, ready to go. So next we'll come around to the rear of the vehicle where we have our GLS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. You've got your power opening and closing trunk. So here's your trunk space when you've got your third row seating up, but you also have buttons here so you can easily press and flip those rear seats up as you need. So I'm just holding this now to get that second row down. And then same thing here, you've got the same functionality here with your rear seats. So yeah, we can flip those down just with the press of a button as well. And yeah, you can really increase the amount of cargo you can store here. You also have another button here to raise or lower your chassis height from the rear. Once again, if you're loading in some cargo that's kind of big, kind of heavy, having a little bit lower definitely helps. And then when you're all done, then just push button to close your trunk. All right, so once again, this is the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. All-wheel drive vehicle with 3 rows of seating, tons of great, entertainment features, safety, and just luxury features as well. So if you're interested in learning more, you have any questions, you want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.